Ah, paano naman to? Pato naman sa mga tropa. Kilometer 111, Sitio Magsaysay, Infanta, Quezon. Mga nag-youth camp, DSWD sa Quezon City, sa Bagong Silangan. Patulong naman pa-rescue rito. Kung sino yung mga magulang nito.
A bus carrying several youth leaders who were supposed to attend a youth camp was involved in an accident along Marilake Highway in Barangay Magsaysay, Infanta, Quezon at around 11:30 a.m. on Monday, December 29th. According to netizen Nelson Monsale, some of the passengers were believed to be SK youth leaders from Barangay Bagong Silangan, Quezon City. In an interview, he described the distressing condition of the victims when he arrived at the scene. Monsale added that he immediately called authorities to seek help after witnessing the incident.
DSWD sa Quezon City, sa Bagong Silangan, mga nag-youth camp. Tumaob yung ano nila, tumaob yung bus nila na sinasakyan. Patulong pa-contact dun sa sa mga magulang o mismo sa barangay mismo ng Bagong Silangan. Wala kasi signal dito eh. Wala signal dito sa Sitio Barangay Magsaysay pala, Barangay Magsaysay, Infanta, Quezon, kilometer 140. Oras ngayon mga anong oras na, Pastor? 11:30.
Authorities are still investigating the cause of the crash, while the condition of the victims remains under assessment. Caution to netizens traveling for the new year. Roads may be busy and conditions unpredictable. Please drive carefully, avoid speeding, stay alert, and prioritize safety to prevent accidents during the holiday rush.